Oh, the bunny sneezed a red balloon. This is red.
Whoa, this is a blue balloon.
Yayo! This is a yellow balloon.
Hooray! This is a green balloon. This is a purple balloon.
Wow, this is a pink balloon. Ho-ho! This is a white balloon. Yeah, this is a black balloon.
Ho-ho! This is a maroon balloon. See? This is a brown balloon.
Wow, this is a gold balloon. Up, up they go, colors in the sky, red and blue and gold so high. It's time to cheer, colors make our world so dear. Bye-bye, kids!
Subscribe Noodle Pop Kids. Laugh, learn and wiggle.